How do you define Jim Goodman?
He's tough to define. Jim is extremely bright, creative, entrepreneurial, enigmatic. He's tough to define because he has a myriad of interests in everything. Broadcasting just one of them.
Yeah, I mean, and he is the visionary, though, for whatever he
of course he is.
decides to touch.
He sure is.
And believes in giving back, taking advantage of the assets to say, here, we can do something better with this.
I think he got some of that from his uncle, Fred Fletcher, who was once president of the company and was very involved in the community, cared a lot about the community and community involvement, and Jim picked up on that. I think Fred more so than A.J. Fletcher in terms of the station really being involved in things. Although Mr. Fletcher, the senior A.J. Fletcher, used to say, you make your friends one at a time, and a part of his being charming and so on was he understood that in the television business you want to win people over so that they're loyal to your station. You make your friends one at a time. So he believed in being nice to people, trying to help people. But Jim, out of that, became very concerned about the community, and I think that's still growing. I think he becomes more and more involved in community activities of all different kinds.
Scotty Stevens.
Neat lady.